A wasted dream, so colorful. A heart of gold, a beat in the dark, a falling high, a soul so heavy, I feel it all when I run away. Yeah. When I run away. Yeah. When I run away.
A very good morning here from Chandigarh. Welcome you all back to my channel. Once again, this is Mahaneet here. Welcome to day 4 of our epic ride to Spiti and Zanskar. Today is a short ride, about 230 kilometers to Rohru in Himachal Pradesh. And we are staying in this beautiful property of Ramada here in Chandigarh. Check out the view. We'll do a quick tour of the hotel before we head out from here. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe button, also the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. That's the room behind. Very nice room here in Ramada. And that's the bathroom. So this is the hotel we're staying. This is Ramada. Quick walk around of our floor.
City of love, a single touch, and now or never. You hate me.
Love what you do what you love. Enjoy your life, make every moment count. Don't waste time doing things you don't enjoy. That's what my 4 lines for today.
When I run away.
Mr. Arjun Anand, how's the excitement of the ride?
Hi! Good morning! Fantastic! Looking forward for the mountains. Mountains are, even if the mountains are not calling, we are calling.
Cheers. Sandeep, how's the excitement? How's the excitement of the ride?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes,
For Spiti?
Yes, definitely.
See you on the road. We're all set to go. These are the lineup. You work on your job, you earn a living. You work on yourself, you earn a life. Think about it. Stay with me as I ride on my Honda Transalp XL750 towards Rohru in Himachal Pradesh. An exciting day of riding.
Till I'm gone away deep in slumber, till I'm resting under the thunder. If you leave, I'm leaving too. 'Cause it's always been you, it's true. And if I'm fading slow, just don't wake me. Life's too cold to breathe without my baby. Like birds of a feather, we're meant forever, I swear. I said I'd never need someone but you're rare. Can change the seasons, might not be for always, but if it lasts long, then it's the best way. And I don't know why I tear up so, but I've never felt so long.
Humid but beautiful overcast conditions morning here in Chandigarh. The sun is not visible as it. At the time right now it's 8:45 a.m. and it's still overcast. Cloudy day. Last evening it was raining, so I don't think it's going to be very hot. Maybe a bit humid, but not very hot. So Chandigarh is full of malls, lots and lots of malls, hotels. We're going to hit the mountain from here. So it's going to be fun. I was here at Himachal Pradesh a couple of months back, just during Operation Sindoor when India attacked Pakistan. We were at Amritsar on the day of the attack. Stayed here for about 12 days, summer holidays for the kids. You can check out the YouTube link for those. That's the first sighting of the Himalayan mountains right ahead, right in front of me on the horizon. You can see vaguely, that's the Himalayas. We all crave to come. That's the Himalayan mountains, and we have a river which is dry right now in this monsoon. I need to fill water in my hydro pack, so just looking for a water shop. I think here I can get water. Life is beautiful. Stop wasting it on things you don't enjoy. First signs of off-roading here in Himachal. Red mud, slushy. Beautiful Simla. Check out the weather. Temperature around 16 degrees in the morning at 10 a.m. It's quite chill. Already my nose started running as soon as I hit the mountains. Oh my god, that was the Skoda broken down. It's hit the chassis. I wonder what happened. So we're 10 kilometers away from our turn from this Simla Manali Leh highway, which was in the news in the past few days with lot of rain. But the weather seems fine. It's a bit overcast, cloudy, chill, and a typical mountain weather. Life is so beautiful, like I told you earlier. If you be in the right place and set the right mood, you'll feel life is so wonderful. Don't be in a rat race trying to outbeat each other. Money doesn't get you anywhere. I know you need money, but end of the day, learn to live your life. Don't be on the chase all the time. Live your life to the fullest. Life is short, people. Make it sweet, simple, and sexy. Oh my god, there's a deviation. A lot of landslides here on the way to Simla, but there's no rain as of today, which is Saturday 9th of August, day 4 of a ride to the Spiti Zanskar Loop. Let's do this, people, come on, let's do this. So Simla is about 60, Solan 13, Dioghat. So we take a U-turn at Solan, I think, and head towards the interior roads, which will take us to Rohru. That's our destination for today, which is about 1 50 kilometers exactly from this point. And the time right now is still 10 a.m. We should be at Rohru by around 2:30 p.m. Anyway, I'm not going to have lunch, but it's just in time for lunch. The rest of the boys definitely would have lunch. I'm on a 2-meal diet program. This is intermittent fasting, but I've been on the trip. I've been having breakfast, so I'm going to have just dinner, no lunch. Beautiful, beautiful weather right here at Simla. Check out the clouds passing through the forest here in the mountains. Our bus has broken down. Himachal Pradesh Road Transport Corporation, some of the best drivers in the country for buses are part of Himachal Road Transport Corporation Limited.
I'm surrounded, but I'm on my own. Your name's a loop inside my head. Still alive,
Wow, wow, wow. The mighty Himalayas in all its glory. It's the same across all the states I've been through. Probably a different kind of terrains, but it's still mighty, the mighty Himalayas. Almighty salute you. Nature is divine and so beautiful. Worship nature, be in nature, enjoy every moment in nature. Let's be a part of this, not against it. Quite an experience with the puncture. Thanks to all the boys, helped me put back the tire, which is quite a complicated thing. It was more like teamwork for a tire. So we're back on the road after that adventure. Welcome to Himachal Pradesh, beautiful country. The Pahadi log are so friendly and helpful, and of course the mesmerizing Himalayan mountains all across Himachal, and us on our bikes exploring. So I'll introduce you to the team, the boys who are part of this ride. It's 12 of us, 11 bikes and 1 pickup truck. Beautiful gorge. This is a beautiful gorge. The bridge. Yo! So quick stop off for lunch en route to Rohru, where we're staying for today. Hope you're liking my entire series of the Great SPITI Zanskar Loop. Stay tuned for more exciting things to come down the ride. So this is the apple growing area of Himachal. Apple farms everywhere. Beautiful Rohru. And right now it's the apple season. You can check out all the apples in the trees. Beautiful. It looks so goddamn beautiful. This is Himachal for you people. Come see the Himalayas. Come see Himachal Pradesh. Enjoy nature. Be a part of it. So much to see in India, so little time. Start doing it now. Travel or do whatever makes you happy. Traveling and connecting nature really gives you a high. So we reached Rohru to our hotel and checked in. We're going to chill for the night. Hope you like this short log of mine to Rohru. Day 4, it was fun, adventurous. Had a big disaster with my tire. Had a puncture and then finally found the punching shop and managed to fix the tire with lots of help from the team. Thank you everyone for helping me out on this. So if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you like my channel, and follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned until the next one, and that's tomorrow. Day 5 is going to be more adventurous as we ride to Kalpa. Thank you for watching once again. See you around very soon. Sayonara, adios, goodbye, bye bye.
Lost in that silent place, even my feelings had echoes in the space. And when I drifted out without care, I felt so far removed, but it wasn't 'cause I didn't feel enough. I think I felt too much. Does that make me broke?